Hello, I'm Jervin Bruno, Java 15 CS 199. Today I'm going to explain about the predictive parser. Well, let's see what are the techniques that is being used here. Here in this parsing technique is regarded recursive as it uses context-free grammar, which is recursive in nature. So, recursive descent is a top-down parsing technique that constructs the parse tree from top and the input is read from left to right. It uses procedure for every terminal and non-terminal entity. This parsing technique recursively parses the input to make a parse tree, which may or may not require backtracking, but the grammar associated with it cannot avoid backtracking if not left fractal. A form of recursive descent parsing that does not require any backtracking is known as predictive parsing. So, I hope you understand what is said here. A form of recursive descent parsing that does not require any backtracking is known as predictive parsing. Okay, now let me explain what we are going to do today. Here's the input. What we are going to do here is this will be the input, but we will be entering the input from this table as taking the input like terminals and non-terminals will be giving entirely differently, separately. As first we will give a plus star bracket dollar, and then we will give e as a non-terminal, and then we will give e gives t instead of e dash we will take a, and then null, and then again we will give e gives t e dash, you can instead of e dash we will put a ta, and then null. Again it will give on continuing like this for every time. Like this up to the end we will give the output, we will give the input, and then later on the output will be and then later on at the end of the span what's the output we will be giving, that will be based on like this. So let's see how it's backtracking everything and keep proceeding like this. Okay, and here's my problem. First, in the header file I have declared input java.io buffer reader, java.io input stream reader, and then java.title.array list and java.title.scanner. And I have used a class array stack. In that I have given a protected character array, protected int top size, and public array stack. In this again I have declared everything and initialized, and I have created array equal to new character and size, which I have created array over there, and then public void push character I have created another public void. In here we are using like a stack. Over here if for int I equal to top, I less than I greater than equal to 0, then I minus. Then here starts the experiment of the main class. First we are using string transaction equal to new string 2020. Here we are creating a new string for the thing, and int alphabet state because for the terminals we are declaring on this thing, and then terminals and non-terminals, and then array string alphabet and array string alpha, and then buffer reader br equal to new buffer reader, new input stream reader system.in. We have given the new for buffer reader new object br. For that we have given this whole thing as an input, and again system.out.println we are entering, so giving the statement, displaying the statement, please enter the number of terminals, and using the same system.out.println we are entering 3 more statements. Please enter the number of non-terminals, please enter the starting non-terminal in the grammar, please enter all the terminal simultaneously. For all the things we are given, for first one we are given alpha set equal to, that will be this one, alpha set equal to integer.parseInt br.readline. We are given a new form over here. Again we have state set equal to, and the alpha set state set. For this we are giving initial values, and again we are creating over here char state and string alphabets. We are using over here using the integer types and string types. and then after that send output for epsilon use at we are using, and then again we are using for int s equal to, for epsilon we are instructing the user to use the add symbol, and we are using system.out.println enter the row entries of the body transition table. So for that row so r equal to 0, r less than alphabet, r will be incremented. String int1 equal to br, and then again dot readline we are creating another one int1. So giving the br readline value into the int1. So transition s r equal to int1. Then for int s equal to 0 s less than state no s plus plus. For this we are here after creating we are system.out.println we are creating a section and a transition written text tool and place splitting everything. After doing if after doing a stack pointer everything dot popping, after doing the inputting and popping out, pushing and popping out, still if the given string is not acceptable, still the index 1 and index 2 is not equals to null, then given string is not acceptable. Then break the statement, break the operation immediately. If not, system.out.println print the given statement slash input char at index plus transition index 2 and index 1, the values will be printed, and then the both will be popped out if both are same. Then string c transition index 2 index 1 dot split, and then again character d equal to c1 dot to character array. Then if d of I not equal to at, then stack dot push d of I. Using this conditions and instruction, the output will be produced from this modeled input which have been given by the table by the user. So been given from the table by the user, and then at last the system will be keep on looping on, keep on going on in a condition where y equal to 1. Y is equal to scan dot next int, that will be the last one thing. And here is my output. See, at first I have given 6 terminals and 5 non-terminals, and then a non-terminal starting point, and then a plus star bracket as I told already in the PDF. I have given exactly as it is, and then eta instead of e dash I have given a, instead of epsilon I am giving the at symbol. See over here, instead of epsilon here I am showing here, and then I am giving at symbol for the, after entering table wise I am giving the last enter the row address, then enter the row entries for the table station. Then I have been giving things, give input to the parser. See, a I have given only the a $hash for the last input. Using this thing, whatever you given here, for that the table will be declared. I have only given a, so only a. You can give continuing. You can try a b b and many other strings you should like. Thank you.